Josh Austin back with another update on the world of pro wrestling and combat sports. In the aftermath of the huge WrestleMania weekend just a few weeks back, big wrestling news continues to hit by the minute. And while we may have to wait a year for that big dream match between John Cena and The Rock, it's only 1 week until Cena competes in a triple threat steel cage match for the WWE Championship against The Miz and John Morrison at the pay-per-view event Extreme Rules this Sunday, May 1st. In other WWE news, the world was shocked by the sudden retirement of Edge due to injury, forcing him to leave a career spanning over 13 years and countless championships, and in the process, vacating his current World Heavyweight Championship, which is now up for grabs when Alberto Del Rio and Christian compete for it at Extreme Rules. In TNA news, the all-steel cage pay-per-view event Lockdown took place this past weekend, featuring some explosive matches. With the help of wife Karen, Jeff Jarrett defeated Kurt Angle. The legendary Sting retained his TNA World Heavyweight Championship against Rob Van Dam and Mr. Anderson, and in the process exchanging words with Hulk Hogan after the match. And Team Fortune defeated Team Immortal in a lethal lockdown battle. Now moving west, the NWA Championship Wrestling from Hollywood delivered another great week of action. And in the main event, Austin Aries took on and defeated Willie Mack in an epic battle. Make sure to watch NWA Championship Wrestling from Hollywood Saturdays at 11 p.m. here in the Los Angeles area on KDOC TV or worldwide anytime at NWAHollywood.com. In other Southern California wrestling action, the Empire Wrestling Federation returns to the Knights of Columbus Hall in Covina, California this Friday, April 29th for a huge event. There'll be a #1 contenders match for the EWF Tag Team Championship when the Barroom Saints, comprised of Icon DK Murphy and Project 56 Joshua Dunbar, accompanied by the beautiful Bonnie Isle, take on the A-List, Top Shelf Jeremy Yeager and the overnight celebrity Roger Reese, accompanied by my co-hosts on the Danger Zone, the Hollywood Sisters, Ashley and Nikki. What will happen in this huge confrontation? Will there be a catfight with all these feisty vixens by ringside? Who will win that #1 contender spot? To find out, you've got to check out this show. There'll be an official contract signing for the EWF American Championship match when the current champion, the massive 400-pound definition of pain, Terex, signs with the challenger, Iron Man Mike Mays. These guys have been at each other's throats for months. Terex has crushed the ribs of Mays on multiple occasions, and Mays will seek out that revenge, as well as that EWF American Championship. But remember, this is only a contract signing, but anything can happen in an EWF ring. There'll also be another huge tag team match when EWF veterans Brandon Gatson and Scorpio Sky take on raunchy Rico Dynamite and the newly crowned Mega King Tommy Wilson. There'll also be appearances by Mercurio Jr., Rey Rosas, and many other EWF wrestlers. And in the main event, it's the big one. The EWF Championship is on the line as Ryan Taylor, a man who has recently turned to the dark side, joined forces with Mondo Vega, forming the Fallen Empire and wreaking havoc on the EWF community, defends his title against my personal hero, the Midnight Cowboy, handsome Johnny Starr. Make sure to check the website for details at EmpireWrestlingFederation.com. The EWF returns to the Knights of Columbus Hall this Friday, April 29th. The American Sports University in San Bernardino will be hosting a very special free event for anyone interested in participating in or watching combat sports, featuring live matches in 3 different categories. Representing pro wrestling, it's Jesse Hernandez's School of Hard Knocks. Representing mixed martial arts, it's Total Mayhem. And representing boxing, it's SOC Boxing. The doors open at 1:30 and the action starts at 2 p.m. with lots of great people on hand to answer all of your questions. If you enroll in a membership or join a class, you will receive 50% off on your first month fee for attending this event. Don't miss all the action at the American Sports University, wrestling, boxing, and MMA. And speaking of the American Sports University, the Empire Wrestling Federation returns the following week. That's right, Saturday, May 21st, for another evening of huge wrestling action featuring such EWF wrestlers as Terex, Iron Man Mike Mays, The Fallen Empire, Mighty Mike Mountain, The A-List, and many others. So mark your calendars for the American Sports University on Saturday, May 21st. The Empire Wrestling Federation website is packed with lots of great new shows and content. You've got to check it out. The Danger Zone, hosted by myself and the Hollywood Sisters, features all the great action and drama happening in the Empire Wrestling Federation. To stay in tune with what's happening with the EWF, you've got to check out The Danger Zone. Also check out Hard Knocks, the docu-series produced by Matt Carroll, showing an inside look of what happens at Jesse Hernandez's School of Hard Knocks, what really goes on behind the scenes in the world of pro wrestling. Also, one more shout out for ringscoops.com, brought to you by web journalist Wade Needham, packed with podcasts, blogs, lots of other great coverage of the Empire Wrestling Federation, as well as pro wrestling scene in general. Make sure to check out ringscoops.com. Can't wait to see you this Friday, April 29th at the Knights of Columbus Hall. Until next time, I'll see you in the ring.